Good afternoon. It is Thursday, June the 20th, and it is another fairly cloudy and occasionally rainy day across western Pennsylvania. Roll the breaking news open. It has rained in the area again today. Hope you're having a great Thursday today. Mom joining the show as usual. Will allow more people to join. I do have better news as we head into and through the upcoming weekend. Jenna, how you doing? Christina, Burgettstown, a regular. Thanks for joining in. Patty Jean from beautiful Bloomfield, as always in the house. There's Carol joining in as well. All right, let us, without further ado, start the show.
It's time to go outside. It's raining cats and dogs. Someone told me it's about to snow. I need a friend, no. It's PittsburghWeatherNow.com, and we start the show. La, 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 la.
All right, there you go. The whiteboard weather theme song accompanied by photos from the photo gallery just added today. Photos that I took, photos that you took. It's in our photo gallery of our Best of the Berg celebration. So please check it out when you get a chance. And that is right. There's a link right off of the homepage of PittsburghWeatherNow.com. As we go to the homepage, you'll notice that link is located right there near the top of the homepage. You scroll down just a little bit, right past our sponsors segment, and there's your Best of the Berg celebration photo gallery, sponsored by the Buell Agency, so check that out. We also have our fun fact of the day, which talks about rainbows, some facts about rainbows that you may want to check out, some interesting stuff, and of course our Moon Golf Weekend forecast for the upcoming weekend. If you want to head to a golf course, listing the best tee times to get in your round of 9 or 18. Also on the homepage, we have our link to the Pittsburgh Weather Now shop and whiteboard weather merch. We have our link to the Good Brother Earl whiteboard weather theme song, and a link also to the Best TV Personality nomination from the City Paper, so you can vote right there with an easy click on the website. So that is the latest from PittsburghWeatherNow.com. Hope you're having a great day today. Thursday was very much like Wednesday, which was very much like Tuesday, which was very much like Monday. It hasn't rained all day, but we have seen again today rain showers rolling through, some producing some heavier downpours of rain, and as a result, the flash flood watch that has been in effect since I think Tuesday is still in effect into the early part of this evening. Our 8th day in a row today at which we've seen measurable rain. And just a little bit of a side note, with all of this rain, I noticed driving around there was a lot of standing water, obviously. That is not a good thing when it comes to mosquitoes and mosquitoes breeding. So if you have standing water, just a little FYI, if you have standing water around your home, your property, try and get rid of it so it doesn't become a breeding ground for mosquitoes. I have a feeling now mosquitoes are just going to go nuts over the course of the next few weeks as we perhaps get into some drier periods. It's still going to be damp, and the mosquitoes are probably going to start breeding like crazy. So just a little FYI. All right, before we get into some of the weather information heading into the weekend, a couple of notes as more people are joining right now. Something I was reading today. Forbes magazine came out with their 25 best places to retire. Among them, Pittsburgh was number 16 on the list, and this took into account factors including cost of living, crime, air quality, weather, medical facilities, and active lifestyle opportunities. As you might expect, Pittsburgh didn't score very well in the air quality and weather category, but scored well in all the other categories. By the way, number 2 on the list was Athens, Georgia, where the University of Georgia is, and the number 1 best place to retire, according to Forbes magazine, Asheville, North Carolina. Very quickly, birthdays today. Nicole Kidman celebrates her birthday today. Lionel Richie, all night long, all night, celebrates his birthday today. One of the founders of the Beach Boys, Brian Wilson, has his birthday today. Actor John Goodman. Football, all-time great Len Dawson, birthday today. Bass player formerly of Van Halen, Michael Anthony, and 2 very notable local athletes. One who went to Ohio State, Jeanette native Terrell Pryor, who I just found out today in reading up on Terrell. He is now on his 9th NFL team. He turns 30 today, and he's now a member of the Jacksonville Jaguars, and also celebrating his 41st birthday today. North Hills High School graduate and Penn State University alum LeVar Arrington. It is National Vanilla Milkshake Day today. It's also National American Eagle Day today. Ice Cream Soda Day today. So I think between ice cream sodas and vanilla milkshakes, you're pretty much encouraged to go to the ice cream shop. And it's also National Hike with a Geek today for techies, IT specialists to get outside and get some fresh air. The weekend is upon us. Lots going on this weekend. So the weather very important. Among the activities this weekend, the Pennsylvania Beer Fest going on at Seven Springs. The Riverhounds are at home this weekend. The Pirates are at home. Youth sports, 5Ks, walks, charity walks this weekend. Boating. I had somebody ask me about boating. If you're a boater, there is a recreational boating advisory. Because of all the rain, rivers are running high, they're running swift, and there's plenty of debris, so it is considered hazardous for recreational boating on the rivers. So just an FYI. Also, some concerts this weekend. My buddies, Good Brother Earl, they are playing tonight at Jurgles from 8 to 10 or 10:30, I think. Jurgles in Warrendale. Good Brother Earl also playing Saturday at Narcissi Winery in Gibsonia. The Clarks, another local favorite, playing at Stage AE on Saturday. And at KeyBank Pavilion, the Outlaw Music Festival, also on Saturday. A lot of these on Saturday, looking good. The weather is going to be getting better. That said, let's get to it. I want to show you some statistics for today. Of the last 171 days, which takes us back to January the 1st, so all of 2019, 123 of 171 have included a trace or more of precipitation, which is a percentage of 72% of the days have had some amount of precipitation, which means if you want to do the flip side, the glass half empty or half full, we've only had 28% of our days that have been absolutely dry. That is just a crime. Through yesterday, officially 21.83 inches of rain, which is a surplus for the year of a little over 4 inches, and that does not take into account what has fallen officially today. That said, we take a look at radar as of, what time is it? A little after, almost 10 after 3. And you can see showers right now are most numerous and widespread near and north of I-80. So for a change, things have shifted a little further north. So Mercer, Venango County haven't seen nearly as much rain as other parts of the area. So if it's going to rain hard, that's a good spot to see some of the more widespread rain. You can see elsewhere things are more hit and miss. You have a shower just popped up north and east of Newcastle. Also in areas some showers between or just south of Butler, maybe moving through parts of, looks like almost the Sarver area, maybe Saxonburg. just north of Route 228. Some showers moving through parts of Clarion, Jefferson, scattered around Armstrong, Indiana County. And then you can see right here along the Allegheny and Westmoreland County line, group of some showers there. We have a cold front that's approaching, so the threat for showers will continue into this evening in a scattered fashion. And then as we head through late tonight and tomorrow, things will improve. That said, we head to the current conditions. Pretty muggy outside again today. Cloudy, 72 right now. Southwest wind at 9 miles an hour. Dew point 67, so right up there next to the temperature. The good news is that dew point's going to drop and it's going to turn less humid over the next 24 to 48. And as always, we're sponsored by Chick-fil-A in Robinson. And here's the way the surface map looks. You can see 7 o'clock this evening, the final wave of low pressure crossing the area. Again, showers scattered locally. They'll be most numerous as you get near north of I-80. Cold front will kick through the area tonight as well. That'll put an end to the rain showers. And then Friday morning, that low, the cold front, all way off across New England. We will get an opportunity to dry out. We'll get some cooler and drier. More importantly, let me say it again, drier air filtering in here. Tomorrow may start off with clouds in the morning, but clouds will decrease as we head through the afternoon and sunshine will increase. So we're going to end the day on a bright note tomorrow. You can see high pressure moving in across the Great Lakes in the Ohio Valley. So there's good news there. Saturday also, as I said, high pressure sitting here to our north. The influence, you can see, drifts to the south. So any of this activity is going to stay off to our south and west. I really think most of the upcoming weekend is going to be rain-free. This is Sunday morning, a little different perspective. There's your area of high pressure. Showers back in the Midwest. I think there's a slight chance Sunday evening there could be a spotty shower. Most places will stay dry. And our next best chance to see any showers of a more numerous nature will be on Monday. So I do think, as I said, much of the upcoming weekend will be rain-free. Thank God. So for that, let's get to the whiteboard. I'll break it down for you. Chick-fil-A, Robinson, the exclusive sponsor of Whiteboard Weather. Hashtag Eat More Chicken. Here's one for you. Pluviophile paradise. Those of you that are saying, what in the heck is pluviophile? Google it. It'll make sense. Pittsburgh, lately, is a pluviophile paradise. If you get to it, Googling it, by the time we go off air, let me know what it says and let everyone else know what it says. I know what it means. I want you to find out what it means. Sunset tonight is 8:53. Sunrise tomorrow, 5:50. Late sunset time, early sunrise time. That means the summer solstice is less than 24 hours away. Moon phase is waning gibbous. Our soggy streak, again, 8. That includes today. 8 days in a row we've seen rain. That comes to an end tomorrow. And your solstice stats. Officially, the summer solstice, 11:54 tomorrow morning. So just in time for lunch hour, you can celebrate on a Friday. There you go, Tishan. Rain lover. You're right. That's what pluviophile means, rain lover. Longest daylight day of the year is tomorrow, 15 hours, 3 minutes, and 55 seconds. There you go, Mary Jo, putting in the pluviophile definition. There you go. I love it. I love it. There you go. Everyone's learning a new word today. All right, tonight, 60 degrees. Evening showers, can't rule out a thunderstorm or two. Nothing severe in nature, as the case has been all week. Again, our greatest threat is going to be for a heavier downpour of rain. Clouds are going to linger overnight, but the rain showers come to an end. Tomorrow, morning clouds will give way to afternoon sunshine. Again, the summer solstice, 74 degrees. Mainly clear tomorrow night. On your Friday night, 54 the low temperature. Saturday, hello, 77 degrees, mostly sunny skies. Real pleasant day, low humidity on Saturday. So again, for the Outlaw Fest and all the other concerts going on, if there's 5Ks, charity walks or runs, youth baseball tournaments, boy, this is going to be a beautiful day on Saturday. Sunday, partly sunny, starts to turn warmer and more humid, 82. Again, I'm going to just mention the chance of a spotty late day or evening shower. Most places will not get one. And then Monday, I think, is our best chance to see showers returning, also 82, and staying warm and humid into Tuesday with a high temperature of 80 degrees. So that is your whiteboard weather heading into and through the upcoming weekend, sponsored by Chick-fil-A in Robinson. Another thing I want to mention as a byproduct of all this rain, and you're probably not going to hear this most other places because, quite honestly, other meteorologists probably don't think of this stuff. Just saying. All the rain, all the wet soil, we are going to have, at least no matter what the atmospheric setup is, we're going to have a hard time pushing a 90-degree temperature. For some of you, I'm sure that's fine. The reason being is when you get sunshine returning, a lot of that incoming solar radiation and energy is used to help dry out the ground rather than heat up the atmosphere. So as a result, until these soils dry out, we're going to have a hard time, again, pressing a 90-degree temperature across the area. So just something to think about, at least through the end of the month. Again, I don't care what the atmospheric setup is, what the flow pattern is. We're going to waste sunshine drying out the ground and not heating up the atmosphere. So just a little FYI. We'll probably get there at some point, but it's not going to happen anytime soon. So Tish Ann, I'm sorry to lay that on you. But again, you're not going to hear that anywhere else, because you know why? The other people are too busy trying to scare you and not inform you. All right, I'm off my soapbox now. That's going to do it for today. Again, I just want to mention the standing water. Try and get rid of it tomorrow so we don't have mosquito breeding ground all across the area. Again, want to mention my buddy's good brother Earl playing tonight at Jurgles in Warrendale. My son's tournament baseball game got canceled because the field conditions are deplorable. And as a result, I think I may swing by Jurgles tonight to check out good brother Earl for a little bit. So if you go, I'll see you there, at least for a little while. All right, that is going to do it for today. Hope you have a great rest of your Thursday. As always, visit the site pittsburghweathernow.com. We have all the links right at the top of the homepage. Check out the photo gallery from our Best of the Berg celebration at Chick-fil-A in Robinson. If you want whiteboard weather merch, you got your link right at the top. And we're nominated to win another sort of Best of the Berg awards from the Pittsburgh City paper. So if you have yet to vote, please do so. It appears as though you may be only able to vote once, but you can try again. All right, that's going to wrap it for today. Have yourself a great rest of your Thursday, and I will talk to you TGIF tomorrow. See ya. Peace out.